Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make enchiladas with Wolf brand chili. First, gather your ingredients like tortillas, cheese, and a can of Wolf brand chili. This easy method ensures a delicious meal with minimal effort. You'll be surprised how quickly these come together, perfect for a weeknight dinner. Let's get started on this simple and satisfying recipe. To begin, gently heat 1 can of Wolf brand chili in a saucepan over medium heat until it's warm and slightly simmering. While that's warming, shred about 2 cups of your preferred cheese, such as cheddar or a Mexican blend. Also, lightly warm your tortillas in the microwave or a dry skillet. This makes them much more pliable and less likely to tear when rolling. Now for the fun part, assembly. Dip each warm tortilla into the chili sauce, ensuring it's fully coated. Place the coated tortilla on a flat surface, add a generous sprinkle of shredded cheese and a spoonful of the chili mixture. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly and place it seam side down in a lightly greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Repeat until all tortillas are used. Once all your enchiladas are neatly arranged, pour any remaining chili sauce evenly over the top. Then, sprinkle generously with the rest of your shredded cheese. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Let them rest for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious, easy enchiladas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.